we are in 2019. So guys, I just released my top 10 favorite books of 2018, and also you'll be able to see how many subscribers I have. I decided, when I talked about it in my goals, to release it this year. No big deal to me, but if you wanted to see, there you go. So right now, just released this, like literally a few minutes ago. And that is where I'm at right now, 511. So I had started the year with 97 and I ended with 511. So yeah, that's a lot of subscribers in 1 year. I love the slow growth. I'm here for it. And I appreciate everyone who decided to join the Comfy Cozy Up. Yeah, I'm out of it, guys. Would you believe I got sick? The last day of the year, and I got a cold. So I literally slept through last night, the countdown. Did not hear the countdown. I was with the mister, and we both were sleeping. But we ate some food before. So it could be the food too, but then also I was sick. So it's a combination of me not feeling well and good food. So yeah, but I am pretty much right now trying to drink a lot of tea and trying to get it under control so it doesn't get any worse. And I'm gonna cook, not soup. I'm gonna eat some food because I'm hungry, and finish getting all my unread book, guys. So look at all this crap. So yeah, I got stuff everywhere, guys. So I am going to try and do something about all these. But this is what I'm reading right now. So I am on chapter 5 of Becoming. And then I also was reading this. And this I'm going to take a while. I want to read them little by little. I don't want to just read them yet. But I don't want to finish the book yet. I want to read each story and stretch it out. So this might take me a whole month to read. Versus like the Michelle Obama, that book. A few days I'm gonna finish it. So yeah, this is like the start of a vlog week. Yeah, getting back into the game. So and let me stop talking. I need something to drink. So on to the next. On another note, Comfy Cozy Up turned 3 years old today. So I've been blogging for 3 years. Yeah. Time really flies. So I do have like my special edition posts, so go check it out at comfycozyup.com. Hey guys, today was one of those days. A bunch of meetings, not that kind of day, but I'm getting through it because my throat still hurts. I'm still sick. Someone dope up some soup. But before I went to get my first draft in a bind. Now, I could DIY this myself. I don't have the patience right now. So I had it done. It wasn't bad. And I did it this way because when I had the loose pages, I realized I dropped it twice and had to rearrange it. I said, no, I need to do it this way. And it'll be easy to travel with when I start editing next week. So I can start working on my second draft and see what I wrote, because I haven't looked at it since I finished. When I was finished, I didn't go over it. I didn't try to edit. I didn't do anything. So this is really a rough draft for real. So I'm kind of hoping that it's not a hot mess when I start going through the edit and find mistakes or where I want to improve on or fix, all that jazz. So I am going to do some food shopping now in the middle of rush hour. So this should be an interesting night. Yeah, I'm tired, guys. Tired. Yep, another day. Bye. So guys, I fighting this cold still. That's why this vlog is probably gonna be much later than I want it to be. But I'm getting better. Much better than I was like yesterday. So anyway, I was tagged by Musical Tati for the Postscript, and I just updated my 6 to 60 books for 2019. So it's nice to talk more about what I've read in some of these questions. So for 2018, so the longest book you've read this year, and the book that took you the longest to finish. Unblocked was my longest. It's a collection. It's a book that's divided into three sections, and it wasn't that long. It didn't take me that long. Actually, I was surprised how long the book was because I flew through it pretty quickly. So, I would say Snap. It wasn't a long book, but because of how the book was, I was just like, no. A book you read in 2018 that was outside of your comfort zone. Oh my God, that has to be Corrupt. That was my first true dark romance by Penelope Douglas. Yeah. And I ended up really liking it, but it was really an uncomfortable book at first. How many books did you reread in 2018? None. Your favorite reread of 2018? I didn't read none. All the books I read was for the first time. A book you read for the first time in 2018 that you look forward to rereading in the future? There's a few. I would say, looking at my list, pretty much most of my top 10 I could see myself rereading. Broken Clocks, I could definitely see myself rereading. The Book of Nine Women, at some point in the future I would definitely want to reread it. Even books that didn't really make my top 10, I could still see myself reading. The short story collections, I definitely could see both of them. I mean, my favorite was What It Means When a Man Falls from the Sky. Definitely see myself rereading some of those stories. Pretty much all of it, because I love that collection. How to Love a Jamaican. It didn't make my top 10, but I could definitely see myself reading some of those. So what's the other one? Favorite single short story or novella that you read in 2018. Now, for the novella situation, it'll probably be probably the ones from Nia Forrester. I just picked up one of her new books, but those short stories were pretty good. So, and they're divided into 4. So I could definitely see myself rereading Still, which was 20 something pages. It's a very short story. So number 7, a book you liked and would recommend to a wide variety of readers. Hands down, the Seventh Husband of Evelyn Hugo. So that's a given. I think a lot of people would enjoy that book. A book you like but would be hesitant to recommend to just anyone. Corrupt by Penelope Douglas is not for everybody. Absolutely not for everybody. Reflect on your year as a bookish content creator. Goals met, good, bad memories, favorite videos you made. Again, I did this when I did my goals. I talked about the year, and I think I had a good year. I had a really, I stayed consistent. I did have a lot of video posted. My favorite video of period is the Brooklyn Book Festival, and I got to meet a lot of really good authors that I've enjoyed over the years. Also got to have a small interview with one of the authors books I read this year, and then I got to meet Dominique from the Storyscape, and then I also had my mom there, and it was her birthday. So that video will always be special to me. So yeah. And the last one is tag a fellow bookish content creator. I think everybody probably did this already. I don't really see anybody that... Everybody, if you haven't done it, just do it. Honestly, it's probably getting to the point where let's talk about 2019, because we are on... I'm recording this on the 6th. I probably uploaded on the 7th. So it's a week into the year. I think at some point we're like over it now. Let's move on to 2018. So, but if you haven't, I think the next few days you can still squeeze it in without, you know, anybody thinking, all right, let's move on. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Sorry. I'm still reading Michelle Obama Becoming. And I'm pretty deep in now. Like I'm on page 304, so that's chapter 20. I hope to finish this before Wednesday and review it on my blog. I don't know if I'm gonna sit down and review a video. I might do a video. I'm not sure how I feel it, because there's so many people that's done a review on this. Like, do I really need another one? But I might talk about it in another way because of how I initially felt about going into this book. So I might still do a review in terms of, in a different way, not just sit there and just talk about the book itself. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm still thinking. So yeah, but again, I'm enjoying this. I think it's definitely surprised me a little. Yeah. So anyway, that is it, guys, and gonna stop this video, go finish drinking my tea, and keep fighting this cold. To be sick at the beginning of the year, it sucks. But anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good day.